I'm gonna pretend I'm a paparazzi. Action.
Teddy, who are you wearing?
When you're a future famous race car driver, you also gotta know how to handle the paparazzi.
Teddy,
Give me that camera.
Hey, Teddy!
No pictures, please.
Teddy, it's
No
me!
pictures.
It's Harley! It's Harley!
I'm pretending, remember? H-A-R-L. What?
Get off me. Careful! Did you touch it? Did you touch it? Man, look at that.
That's already there.
No one. No one. My name is Teddy Tommy, and this is my unsolicited submission to be the next spokesperson for O'Reilly. Oh, and that's my best friend / cameraman, Harley. To help me with these videos, I have my wife, Tina Tommy, my son, Tommy, and my best friend who would never do me wrong, Harley. You set?
I'm set.
You just nail it this time.
Yep.
Okay. I know a lot of companies are worried about hiring a celeb because they're one PR disaster away from a bankruptcy, but you got nothing to worry about, O'Reilly.
Oop, I zoomed out too far. Sorry.
Really? Come on.
You sure you don't want to go put some pants on?
No, man, it's way too hot for that. Come on, just get it right. I'm a master of disguises, so I can even evade my crazy stalker fans. Dealing with all those crazy stalker fans.
Teddy, can I have your autograph? I am your biggest fan. Wait a minute. You're not Teddy. You are a postal worker.
That's right. I'm an attractive mailman, and I have a lot of mail to deliver. Here's another way to prove that I can handle the fame. This is how I would deal with beautiful hecklers after a race.
And action.
Like dealing with hecklers after a race.
Boo! You stink! Because you're so good at racing.
Thanks for supporting live, local racing. That's all I care about. Teddy Tommy. Hey, you got any of those corn dogs in here? Those little mini ones?
Might have like a couple. Think you could just...
If you don't have the mustard, though, it's not worth it.
Okay, well, I don't have the mustard.
And one more final example that proves that I can handle the fame. Being good with kids. All right, son, just like we practiced, okay? All right. Being good with kids.
Hey, mister, aren't you that race car driver from the O'Reilly videos?
That's right. How about a nice cold ice cream treat on me, Teddy Tommy?
No, he can't have dairy.
I can't have dairy.
How about some loose peanuts on Teddy Tommy?
No, he can't have nuts. He's allergic to all nuts.
I can't have nuts.
How about an O'Reilly Superstart batter?
Oh!
Teddy! Tommy, are you okay, baby?
I can't lift batteries.
I can't pick up batteries either.
I think we got it.
Ow!
See, O'Reilly? I'm ready for the fame that being your friendly, helpful face will bring.
Wait a minute. Are you wearing a spray tan?
Yeah. Can you see that in the camera? Does that pick it up?
No, I can see it with my own 2 eyes.
Put it in black and white. Maybe make this shot black and white then.
All right, hang on. Let me switch it over.
There, does that look better?
Let's do one more.
Well, O'Reilly, as you can see, I'm ready for the fame that bring your friendly, helpful face will bring.
O'Reilly!
Make sure to subscribe and also check out the rest of my Teddy Tommy videos. And if you want, also check out those O'Reilly how-to videos. Tell you how to change a spark plug, change your oil, a lot of the hard stuff that I'm still kind of figuring out, but, you know, I'll get there. Maybe I'll be in LA, sipping a Mai Tai, poolside, next to Sharon Stone. Hey, Sharon, you wanna go ride in the IROC?